Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A little bit stressed right now, but we're gonna push through because I want to film this video. I'm having a pretty good start to my new year. One of the reasons is because I got a Vox box from Influenster sent out the glowing 20s Vox box, which I was lucky enough to receive. The last time I got a package from Influencer was I think last fall when I got the new Garnier hair products. But as for a Vox box, which is like a really nice cute little package of multiple different things from different brands, and the last time I got one of those, I don't even remember. It's been a little bit, so I'm really thankful for this. They're so much fun. Sometimes they'll put in like new snacks to try, even something for your pet, beauty products, hair products, whatever. I love Vox boxes. And so the theme for this one was glowing 20s. Now, I'm not sure if that's because we just entered the 20s or if it's because, you know, they're sending it to people that are in their 20s, because I am 25. But, you know, either way, this box is so much fun. I'm going to show you guys what they gave me completely free, and I'm also going to tell you how it's going so far with some of the products, because I have had this Vox box for over a week now. Down for one night, like I got 3 strikes. Because of the fact that I've been using these products for over a week now, my box is a little mangled. I'm trying to put everything together to show you. Okay, so I'll just show you the picture I took of the box when I first got it. What's in this box is 4 different products, but the Tic Tac X Freeze came in 2 different flavors. So technically 5 full-size products came in this Vox box. And as always, they give you the little note card here. It says all the brands that you received products from. It tells you their social media tags, what hashtags to use when posting about them, and a little description of each one. It also gives you all the directions and steps you need to make a successful review and earn your badge on the Influencer app. I'm pretty sure the more badges you get, the more likely you are to continue receiving free product and getting the chance to review new things. So first product is the Type A deodorant. I've only used this a few times. This is a sweat activated deodorant. There's 2 different scents, and I received the white floral linen scent. Now these are aluminum free. I'm not sure if your regular everyday deodorant has aluminum in it and that's a social issue. I'm not sure, but these ones are aluminum free, cruelty free as well, and the container is recyclable, so go green. This is supposed to be like a new type of revolutionary natural deodorant. It says powered by natural ingredients. This is a glide-on deodorant. There's 3 little slits there, and then you squeeze it. The product comes out, and you just swipe it on. So it's supposed to be an easy one-swipe type of application. And I did try using it. It was there was some resistance as far as this kind of rubber top, and my skin didn't really glide on the skin super effortlessly, but that's like a very petty criticism, but I figured I would say it. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I always will accept some free deodorant. That's cool. Thank you, Type A. Okay, and you guys did already hear me mention the Tic Tac Freeze. I don't know where my other one is, but they gave me 2 of these, which was super generous of them. So the Tic Tac X Freeze, at first I thought it was a gum, so I went ahead and tried it out. It has cooling crystals. It has this cool center that's made up of the cooling crystals, and it's extremely minty. It feels like you kind of took a bite out of like a mountain or something. It's super, super minty. If you have like a breath issue at the moment, it's gonna totally wipe that out, and you're gonna be extremely minty. 0 calories. Yeah, 0 added sugars. Just a really strong breath mint for when you need, you know, a really strong breath mint. Okay, so the other two products are my two favorite. I saved the best for the last. This is probably the most valuable product in the box because it retails for $24 and they gave me the full-size product. Oh yeah, the Type A deodorant, I believe it retails for around 10 bucks. And the Tic Tac Freeze, I think is just like $2 or $3 per container. That's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the box. Here's the product. This is the new Bliss Bright ID. This is the new Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide Collagen Protecting and Brightening Moisturizer. Now, I already talked about this in my last video, the Get Ready With Me. But this was included in the box. Really pretty little container. This is 50 milliliters, aka 1.7 flat ounces. Little bit goes a long way. This is a great cream to put on after the shower or in the morning before your makeup. And I'm really happy that I'm using something that is nourishing my skin and is not just like a really cheapo drugstore lotion. So this is what I'm most excited about from the box. Bliss, everybody go follow Bliss. Last but not least, I'm so happy about this too. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Whipped Shea Butter, and I actually do have a video clip of my first time opening it. Actually, like kind of dry and chapped right now. Okay guys, my nails look horrible and I'm like really embarrassed. Please don't. Okay, this feels like...
What are you doing?
Just trying out this new lotion. Oh, it's like really firm and bouncy. This is super like gelatin-like. It's like really interesting texture. There's a lot of product in there, and this is 8 ounces altogether. This is obviously a moisturizer. Has coconut oil, cocoa butter, and almond oil. This is a really nice size. This is gonna last a long time. This is a full 8 ounces of product, and you can moisturize your entire body with this. Oh, it smells really nice, and it's a nice thick body butter. I've been using this pretty much daily, and I'm very happy with it. That is it for today's VoxBox unboxing. This Glowing 20s VoxBox was like a really nice little beginning of the year gift from Influencer. So let me know what y'all think of these products. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. No nails today. I look fucking ratchet.